Hello everybody, just got my RoboRock S5 in the mail today. Brand new, a lot bigger box than what I thought it was going to be. Sorry, I'm using my phone for a camera here. I'm going to do an unboxing, a mapping video, and how to set it up on the app. I'm going to see, it is October 10th, 2020. I'm going to see if it works with the RoboRock app yet, or if you still got to use the Me app. So, let's get into it. I thought it was going to be like the size of like a scale for your bathroom. Turned out to be a lot bigger. It's very heavy, I think. Guess I need a better stand for my phone. There we go. Watch, it'll be a box inside of a box inside of a box. 12-month. All that should be on the outside of the box so people can see. Yeah, so don't step on it. I don't think they really listen in transit anyways. Oop, better let it down. It wants to fall out. Voila. Came with the moisture mat, which I thought was going to be a lot thicker. I'm kind of glad it's thin because it'd be easier to clean. Super thin. I thought it was thick as like a plate on a microwave. Manual. I am suspecting. And maybe a cool sticker or something. 25% off accessories. This thing comes with all accessories, so I don't know what you'd really buy with that unless you need some brushes. Don't think there's anything in that. Kind of a waste of a box. I could have put wiring around the side or something. Or more spinny things. Brushes. That would be the mop. Get into that after I unbox it all. There is the beauty itself. The huge frisbee. When it doesn't work, it becomes a frisbee. Oh, spotless. My buddy is going to make me decals for the top. He can print it. He has like them big machines there at Walmart and all that. Hopefully I can make it look like a pizza. That's what I'm going for. But he makes shirts and stickers and everything. Hopefully he can make me that. This moves a lot. It must be yeah, the front. So if it does bump against something, it's kind of like a pool cleaner. Them little ladybugs you can buy. I did not know that wobbles like that. I hope it's supposed to. And of course, you got the sensor on the top that spins. Everything just kind of wiggles a little. Lid opens. Ooh, I can hear the engine. Oh, that's cool. So this is English is its second language. Yeah, push that clip right there to open it. There's the washable filter, which is a plus and why I bought this. Oh, for the person saying it's new, there sure is cobwebs in there. Guess I'll have to do the review a little bit different. I bought on eBay, but I only paid 350 bucks. We'll have to see. I like the cleaner is right here. I'm told that cuts the hair out. Nice rubber part there. Let's put the used filter back in. Used dust compartment. Stuff even fell out. Love when people lie. So maybe I'll get like 20 bucks back. Pay even less for it. So you take that and you can just run along there and cut the hair right out. I like how springy them are. I'm hoping it can get over my lip on my floor. Some sensors up here. Them are for stairs, I believe. I am told if these bend like that, put them in hot water for 10 seconds. No, it does not keep its lid down. Okay. Yeah, well, if it's used, it'd be nice if it's already updated. That's like a 90-minute thing. So there's a sensor. And there's a sensor. Kind of looks like a camera at me. Oh, there's no sensor on the left side. Put that over here. What else do we got in here? We have the docking station. $42 watt. I am going to do a test with how much watts it just uses sitting there for the energy people that are out there. If you think about it, this uses a lot less electricity than a regular vacuum. Maybe you can run off the grid with it. Comes with a extra filter. It seems so thin for it to be washable. Power cord. They give you no extra side brushes, but maybe they're in here. No extra side brushes, but they give you an extra filter. I would think you'd go through a brush quicker. I'm told about every 2 weeks if you make it vacuum every day. Let's look at the manual a little bit. Maybe something. Quick start guide. It's hard to do this with one hand. So 25% off. So they shaft you on a spinny brush, that way you can get 25% off and buy one. Regular maintenance. It doesn't tell you what to do. It just says mop after each use. It doesn't tell you what you're supposed to do. Are you supposed to replace it? Perform the care procedures according to the follow. It doesn't tell you what you're supposed to do. Washable filter once per 2 weeks. Is that throw away or wash? I'm sure it's wash, but instructions are kind of lame. Care. Hopefully I never have to troubleshoot. But electronics are amazing and our future, and they'll work forever. Safety in another language. Safety in yet another language, yet it's only sold in the US for some reason. Now it tells you how to use it right here. That's nice. That should be page 1. Battery pack storage temperature here on the left. I'm told it's 3.5 hours to charge from totally dead, and it will run for 2 hours, but it has different settings for suction, so we'll see. Installation. Plug this charger into the dock. Pretty self-explanatory. Quick start is 12 pages in. That's nice. I'm told you're only supposed to use water in this. That doesn't really clean anything, if you ask me. in the mopping. Okay. Oh, a lot of people ask about this wheel. It gets a bunch of gunk on it, and right there it shows you it just pops right off. Looks like it even pops further for the people that break it totally. You think it would be a weak enough machine it wouldn't break itself. Okay, now let's check out the mop. And my phone doesn't want to cooperate. Pretty good material. It's definitely not a one-time use only kind of thing. It's nice. And if you don't know, it only mops in that area. It does not mop these corners over here. And it just drips water, because that's all they want. Water only. Oh crap. Oh! I pulled off the... Okay, one side came down, no problem. The other side is not wanting to separate. It actually pulled that white off. And I guess these slide in and out. If you want to put a new one on. There's the filters that gunk up, they say. Instructions. I like that. It's nice. The fill hole. Oh, plenty big enough hole. I can stick my thumb in there. That's nice. Very nice. You don't have to like funnel it or anything. Looks like there's a button on both sides to clip it in. Let's see how it clips in. Oh, come over here, you big beast. It goes on the back of the machine. Now they show people doing it without even lifting it up. Let's see how easy that is. It's that red mark. A red mark for some reason. Oh, that's very simple. If you lift it up, it falls down. It is put on right? Okay, so it's a bit flimsy. But on carpet it works great, but it's got to work on hardwood. Then you push in buttons, comes right out. That's nice. I do see the S5 Max has almost like a built-in tank. I don't like that. This is a lot nicer. Yeah, that works a lot better than what I thought. There's also the S5 Max and S6. You can hide the wiring back here. Yeah, it'd be nice to hide the wiring. This don't come apart at all. Okay, well, now I just gotta set it up. Stay tuned for part 2.